Today we're gonna go through every single piece of art sitting right here on my desk, from completely unseen drawings in my secret practice sessions with the classic 24 colors to the drawings that actually got me praised by some big names in the entertainment industry. Hey everyone, let's start! I've been hiding this piece under my other drawings for ages, and this is the very first time I'm showing it to you guys. I haven't posted any videos of it on the channel either. This was my first time practicing portraits with just the classic 24 color set. I wanted to test if you could actually draw any picture with good quality using only 24 colors. And amazing! Wow. This was the result of my little experiment. Honestly, I was totally shocked when I finished it because I wasn't really expecting it to turn out this good. And Baekhyun, my favorite K-pop singer. This was the first video on the Visual Slit channel in my second colored pencil portrait. In my opinion, everything about this drawing is perfect. So I do feel like I drew the eyes a little too small and maybe a bit too far apart. But the skin tones blended so smoothly and the highlights on the hair and lips are just perfect. For the background, I used crayons and just freely created these stains of color. A super time-consuming and awesome artwork, but despite my expectations and all the hard work, the views and support were pretty low and disappointing. But even so, it didn't get many views. I'm still obsessed with the golden speckle technique I used, and I really think it deserves a second look. If you're wondering about this technique, I used crayons for this tool just like Baekhyun's background. The difference is that for Baekhyun's piece, I was dragging and lifting the crayons like this, but here I was rubbing the crayon into the paper to create these stains. I'll put the video links in the description so you can actually see what I mean visually. Here's my first art vlog where I tried out SpillArt. And it was honestly so much fun. If you don't know how to do it, definitely check out the video in the description and try it yourself so you know exactly what I'm talking about. This one is really special and valuable to me because a celebrity, John Cohen, liked it on Instagram. And I was so surprised. And it's really an honor. Plus, this drawing really challenged my skills, which is awesome. And it got pretty good views too. If you guys want to get back to those highly energetic days just like I do, hit that subscribe button right now. Because we are only 91 people away from hitting 1,000 subscribers. A completely flawless drawing of Spiderman. I'm sure you're all waiting for the fourth movie to come out soon. But are you waiting for my new Spider-Man drawing too? Please let me know in the comments which drawing you like the most. Challenging works are definitely time consuming and tough, but the end result is always amazing. You can see how incredibly detailed this one is. Every single strand of hair, the contrast, and even the direction of the hair were drawn with so much precision and care. And finally, Wednesday Addams. This was one of my most challenging drawings because I wanted a watercolor background. I couldn't use regular paper, so I bought this super thick cardboard meant for oil paints. It worked fine for watercolor, but it was an absolute nightmare for colored pencils. Anyway, I barely managed to finish this drawing, but honestly, with the amount of time and colored pencil I wasted on it, I could have drawn 2 or 3 other portraits. I really hope this video showed you that you don't have to be perfect from the start to create art. You just have to start. Which one did you like the most?